How to get microblading or permanent makeup license in Los Angeles. Hit subscribe so you won't miss any new information on our channel. Microblading is a form of tattooing. That's why in Los Angeles, tattoo license is needed to perform microblading or permanent makeup. Tattoo license in LA is called Body Art Certificate and can be issued only by Health Department of Los Angeles County. How to get Body Art Certificate from Health Department in Los Angeles. First thing you need is to take bloodborne pathogen training, which is known as BBP training, approved by Los Angeles County. I will add also links under this video where you can find all approved providers. BBP training takes around 2-3 hours to complete online, and then you will need to take a test with around 35 questions. 80% of answers should be correct to pass this test. If you didn't pass the test from first try, you can retake training, retake test, and after you passed, a certificate will be emailed to you during 24 hours. Copy of your bloodborne pathogen certificate you will need to print out. Then fill out a body art practitioner application. You can find the active link on application under this video. Choose permanent makeup cosmetics in the first section. If you are doing more than one service from this list, you can also check tattooing, body piercing or branding. Then put that you are first-time registrant. If you are first-time registrant, if you are not first-time registrant, just check renewal and put number of your previous body art certificate. Then you will need to print out clearly your full name, email, mailing address, where you're going to receive your certificate, date of birth, phone number, and gender. Then also, if you have California driver's license, you need to put a number. If you don't have California driver's license, then just put any other government issued ID like state ID, passport, foreign passport, or any. Add date of BBP certificate and the provider is written on your certificate. Then you should provide a proof of hepatitis B vaccination or evidence of immunity. If for some reasons you don't want to get vaccination done, sign vaccination declination form, which is for Los Angeles County, will be attached under this video. Add information about the facility where you're gonna practice. If you are absolutely new to this industry and don't have business address yet, add the address of your school where you will take your certification training. Remember that your school must have valid health permit. Our school actually have valid health permit if you are still looking for certification training, and so you can just sign up with us. If you already decided, just ask them if you can include the address on your body art certificate. If you are moving from another state and you are licensed there, you can include business address from your previous location. For first time it should work, but later when you will move to Los Angeles and when you will find a location where you will practice, you will need to update this information and to add new address to your body art certificate. Check if you've prepared all documents from the following list. Copy of bloodborne pathogen certificate, one passport type photo if you are first-time registrant. If you are not first-time registrant, then you don't need passport type photo. Sign application and add signed application. Copy of driver license or any other government issued ID. You must be at least 18 years old to perform microblading or permanent makeup in Los Angeles. Hepatitis B vaccination status or declination form. Check for $54 made payable to Los Angeles County. You can also include money order, but check is better because when they will receive your check, they will put tracking information for the mail with your certificate. So when it will appear on your bank account, you will see the tracking number. You will need to mail everything from the previous checklist directly to Health Department on the following address. But before you do so, please check with Health Department on their website if address is still correct. It takes up to 14 days to receive your body art certificate by mail. For me, it took every year like approximately like 5, 6, 7 days, not too much, so they are usually very fast. So if you didn't receive your certificate within 14 days, contact health department by phone or by email and follow up on your application and check what is going on and why you didn't receive it yet. Once you've got your body art certificate, you can practice microblading or permanent makeup legally in Los Angeles. In addition to body art certificate, you should have certificate of completion from microblading or permanent makeup training, not certificate of attendance. This is very important. And I will remind you one more time that training facility, school, academy, or wherever you take your training should be licensed by health department, have valid health permit, or you risk to get fined for practicing permanent makeup in an unlicensed facility as well as your training, actually. Our microblading and permanent makeup school is located in San Fernando Valley, so we have easy commitment from many locations from California. We also have people who travel from in other states because we have not so far airport, but we also offer trainings in another states too. Check our website for more information, and we offer trainings on English, but we also sometimes have trainings on Russian or Spanish language. And thank you very much for watching this video. You can subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new tutorials or license information. Follow us in social media, MicrobladingSchool.Art. Links will be under this video, where we also post a lot of important and very interesting information for artists. And feel free to ask any questions by text. My phone number is 347-479-7565, and I will be more than glad to answer all your questions. Even if you didn't take training with us, I will be happy to answer your questions, because I care about microblading and permanent makeup industry. So I want all people to work legally and to provide high quality service.